Respected Dr. Anup Pujari, IAS, Director General of Foreign Trade, dignitary on dais, my fellow colleagues from bullion industry, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a great pleasure today to see this conference entering in the 9th year. Is audio coming? Entering in the 9th year. And what Srivastav told me, that there are 70 delegates from all over the world who are attending this 500 delegate conference today. But मैं यहाँ पे अभी हिंदी में बात करूँगा. एंड आई बिलीव कि इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट जो इंडिया से बिजनेस करते हैं वो हिंदुस्तानी भाषा जो गोल्ड की है वो समझेंगे, क्योंकि मेरे बहुत सारे ट्रेडर भाईस ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया से भी आए हैं. और श्रीवास्तव ये बहुत बढ़िया है कि यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू एंगेज government as a major stakeholder in this conference, because Bombay Bullion since last 100 years has been in this gold business, and many of Sarafa Bazaars, ये बहुत सबसे पुराना बिजनेस रहा है भारत का. And just now what Rashesh said कि इतना साइज बिजनेस है बट गवर्नमेंट का एंगेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं 3 एग्जांपल्स या 2 एग्जांपल से ये कम्युनिकेट करना चाहूँगा. एक वेरी रिसेंटली ये जो करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट की बात चलती है और जिसमें गोल्ड इंपोर्ट पे ड्यूटी लगाई गई है, इंडस्ट्री का ये मानना है कि अगर पैरेलल इंपोर्ट्स कर्ब नहीं हुए तो विल नॉट अचीव द पर्पस. इसके लिए इंडस्ट्री को गवर्नमेंट का एंगेजमेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सेकेंड, गोल्ड अलोन इज़ डूइंग वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू द टोटल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के सारे शेयर्स हैं उसका जो फ्यूचर्स चलता है. गोल्ड अलोन इज़ डूइंग, इट्स अ हाईएस्ट ट्रेडेड फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो गोल्ड हैज़ गॉट सच अ हाई पावर एंड इंडिया मस्ट एंटर द प्राइस सेटर स्टेटस फॉर गोल्ड, when India being the largest consumer of the gold. But government के engagement के बिना, इनको right research दिए बिना ये possible नहीं है. And with all due respect to the stock market fraternity, the reality ये है क्योंकि stock exchange and stock industry is able to communicate to government better, वे बताते हैं गवर्नमेंट को. एंड मिस्टर पुजारी, आपको ये हमको बताने में बहुत ज़रूरी लगता है, though I am also from the stock exchange very recently now onwards and product of a stock market, but वो बताते हैं कि gold is a non-productive dead asset and stock exchange में productive asset में savings को productive means में invest किया जाता है. So more and more flow should go to stock exchange and the stock market industry. But the fact is 90% of the volume is cash settle index future and option. What productive means or what capital formation stock exchange is doing other than the cash settle nifty options or any other index options. Hence, what is important to get communicated to the government the right thing. Otherwise, the whole financial planning without the right research and the policies will go in that. At the same time, if current account deficit is widening, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो 18,000 टन गोल्ड हाउस होल्ड में सेव किया गया है, इट कैन कम आउट एंड इट कैन रिड्यूस द इम्पोर्ट बाय गोल्ड बॉन्ड. बट बहुत बार कहीं 5 साल से ये बात चल रही है गोल्ड बॉन्ड की, बट नॉट अ सिंगल सीरियस प्रपोजल हैज़ गॉन टू, आई बिलीव, फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री टू गवर्नमेंट दैट हाउ टू गेट इट आउट and see to it that the saving which has been there in the household, they get the money to put in the industry, and our dependency on import goes down. It meets both the purpose. The investment which is did in that sense in the household gold can come out in the gold form, and dependency on import goes down. So it is duty of the industry to engage with the government. And Mr. Srivastava, you should continue this dialogue and submit a paper that why it is important to have the right research going to government. Otherwise, the steps will be taken and industry will have to accept this. And then it is a fault of our industry and not of the government. And I'll give you another example which supports how engagement with the government, proof of what I'm saying. You all are proud members or the user of the MCX in India. MCX today, despite being in the closed economy, is the largest gold exchange of the world. That you all know. Gold futures contract. We have more than the NYMEX. And the price setter status, which I have realized of last 2 years, that we are influencing the NYMEX price. But MCX is also happened to be the first listed exchange of our country. And this may be surprise to you, Mr. Pujari, that the positive policy intervention, which has happened in your period when you were in Department of DEA, MCX has been listed today and has the FII investment and FDI investment. That policy was got through when he was in this one. We, at that time, we were among the first 10. We were not number 1 in the world. But we kept engaged to the policy maker. And in 2006 or 7, I don't remember the exact year, when we were not even this big, the positive policy making had happened in the DEA. And today you are seeing what MCX is of today. So this is the proof of when you engage and submit the research, it happens. So my sincere submission to industry is that we must engage in a very qualitative way if we want a right policy to the gold and the gold import as well as the gold bond scheme. Serious proposal should keep going to government from the industry forum, and there is no better forum than this conference and subsequently the technical committee of this conference. I would like to close with complimenting Srivastava from Fortel and Bombay Bullion Association. President is Mr. Prithviraj Kothari and the whole director team of Bombay Bullion to make this conference such a big that it has got a huge impact worldwide. No gold exchange today, whether MCX, CME, Hong Kong Mercantile, Singapore Mercantile, can afford to be not here in this conference. This is a true Oscar for the gold. Thank you.